Hey guys, so today I want to share with you a case study about a $2 million manufacturing deal that we just closed with my buddy Ervin. I want to show you kind of like the process, how it went through, the structure, and you could follow and try to do similar things. And yeah, my name is Moran Pober. I'm the founder and CEO of acquisitions.com. We were involved in 100 plus business acquisitions in the last 3 years. So to start with, the business is doing 2 million in revenues, with about $400,000 in EBITDA. It's basically pre-tax profits. Now, the structure of this deal is pretty unique because the way he started and got himself into this deal is very unique as well. He basically went into an earning deal. So what's an earning deal means? It means that he went in basically as a consultant slash employee slash investor, as someone who could add value to the business. He went in and he got a retainer plus a percentage of growth in the business. And obviously we supported him in the process. It's basically the idea of going to businesses and being able to help them with everything: processes, systems, improving things when it comes to sales, marketing, operations, finance, leadership, HR, legal stuff as well, and just to make sure that the business is more professionalized. When he was able to sell himself that way to the business owner, he was able to get himself into the door in a much easier way than trying to get a 100% seller financing or no money down deal right away. One of the biggest challenges you'll see in most small businesses is that they just don't have good fundamentals of business. They don't have good processes in each of those departments that I just mentioned. The leadership is not good because usually the owner is a free control and want to do everything and is not willing to let go and delegate to his team, or he's just not good enough as well. Most business owners that start businesses are technicians, and they get to the level of results based on their skills. One of the biggest challenges that most businesses have is that they don't know how to duplicate things because they don't know how to lead people. They don't know how to hire, retain, and train people. And when someone comes to the business and willing to take all of that from them, it's huge burden taken off them. Someone who's good at what they're doing will be able to get paid right away for that kind of service. Now, as part of getting the retainer plus revenue share, there was also right of first refusal agreement in there. And what it basically means is that if the owner is deciding to sell the business, she's gonna present the opportunity first to Ervin. So that was the first step. That was 2 years ago. So for 2 years, he was working there, he was getting his retainer plus getting a percentage of the revenue growth. And 2 years after that conversation started, the owner decided to sell the business. The deal price ended at $700,000. And there was a lot of back and forth in the negotiation. I don't want to bore you too much with the details, but that took a few months with back and forth, with potentially trying to finance against the business. But eventually, there was just an agreement that says that Ervin will pay to buy the business using the business cash flow to pay for the acquisition. The agreement was basically $700,000 for 10 years with 5% interest. And because there was already comfort with Ervin and the owner, it was much easier to do that. Plus, he just preferred not to raise capital. It was more difficult for him. And the owner understood that. She understood it is also going to take some more time to raise it from banks and institutions. So she was willing to do 100% seller financing, plus you're going to get an interest on that of 5%. That's not too bad. He's going to get the business for free, doing 2 million a year in revenues. She's going to get herself a yearly payout. So it's a win-win for everyone. He's going to protect and basically take care of the employees, the brand, because remember, some of those owners, especially when they retire, it means that they own those businesses for 5, 10, 20 plus years sometimes. So there's someone who's going to take care of it. He's going to be happy. He's going to own a 2 million a year business. And now he's looking to roll it up and do more deals or join one of our other groups of other members and create their own roll-ups. Oh, and we have a full interview with Ervin. So if you want to get it, just comment below or email support@acquisitions.com and we'll send it to you. It's like a 30-minute interview where we go through the full step of pretty much this short summary. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy that. Let me know if you like those kind of specific case studies where I share with you stories of deals that we're working on the deals, on the structure, on the industries. It's pretty unique, it's pretty cool, and those are very difficult to do with brokers. If you want to do really creative deal structures, those usually need to be from off market. So that would be my highest recommendation to you. If you really want to do those kind of structures, go directly to the owner, and we probably have some more videos on that, on how to find deals. So hopefully you enjoy that. Let me know in the comments below what you learned from it or what else you want me to talk about, and I'll see you soon.